Hi guys, this is Yasun Shashank from Team O Impossible, and we are here to show you a demo of our app at the end of Milestone 3. So right now, our app only has a few stylistic changes as well as the new feature that we have been implementing called LockerRoom, which is basically just a chat room for all our participants. We've also added a chat room for all the organizers for a particular tournament. So let's just dive right in and look at the demo. Since we haven't made a lot of changes, this video is going to be a short one. So anyway, this is what our database looks like right now. It has fixtures, requests, tournaments, and users. And for the time being, I've already logged in to an account right over here. So let's go and check out our LockerRoom feature. I go to IFG and I go to soccer. As you can see, there is a LockerRoom button. On clicking this, since no messages have been added to the LockerRoom, this particular empty view is shown. And if I type something out, you can just look at this. Once I click send, you can see that the message is now shown over here with the time and the date, 22nd July 11:20. And in the database, this is how we have structured the data. The LockerRoom is the main node, under which you have the node for which tournament the chat has been sent in. Furthermore, we have this sport that the LockerRoom is part of, and finally the faculty, because we want a LockerRoom for each faculty, for each sport, for each tournament. And if I click on this, it gives me a list of all the messages that have been sent, and this is just the unique key for this particular message. So if I click on that, I get the message text, which is so and so, the time, and the user, which is so and so. Now, as you can see, this is computing LockerRoom for soccer. So let's try and open a LockerRoom for some other faculty. Let me log into some other user. Once I click login, I'm going to go to dummy user.com. Once I've done that, I go to IFG, soccer, and LockerRoom. Now this is empty because this is Law's LockerRoom for soccer. So let's try and type something. Done that. The change has been made to the database. A law node has been created. If I click on this, this is the message ID with the attributes text, time, and username. Now let's go back and see if other users from the same faculty in the same sport can view this message. So I log out and I log in with test user. Once I've done that, I go to IFG, soccer. Now you can see there's the LockerRoom button. I click on LockerRoom, and this is the message from dummy user. Let's reply to this. And you know how it goes. So the message has been added, and this is another message added to the law node. Now that this is done, let's try and demo the organizer committee chat room. So I'm going to log out and log in with organizer user. Once I've done that, I go to any of these tournaments. Let's say I go to ISG. Over here, there are two options, chat room and access requests. If I go to chat room is opened, and since no one has really contributed to it, I'm going to start off the conversation. and once I click send, it has been sent. A new node called admin chatroom has been created, which has a subnode for each tournament, and this is the message ID. We have no subnodes for faculty because people from different faculties can be part of the organizing committee for a particular tournament. So this is basically, well, these are the two features that we have basically added for this milestone. So apart from this, we've also made a few changes. For example, if I go to IFG, if I go to soccer, and if I go to fixtures, you can see the fixture right over here. Now earlier we had the feature of clicking on it to go to another activity, but on clicking this you have two options, edit and delete. Edit takes you to the edit fixture activity, while delete asks you for confirmation. So it's the same functionality but different kind of view. We've changed how it works. So if I just go back, another thing that we've added is the participants list. So if you click on view participants, it shows you all the users that are a part of this particular sport, of this particular tournament. Now if I click on this, I have a choice to remove this participant, and he will be effectively removed from the sport. So this is just how we have planned to view participants. So apart from this, well, I think we've showed you all of our changes and our new additions. So I hope you like our app. Thank you and have a nice day.